And welcome back. Let's head to the Mona AstroTurf where Jamaica's national men's hockey team defeated Puerto Rico 3-2 while the women's team was crushed 10-1 by top seed Uruguay on day 3 of the Pan American Cup on Tuesday. Karen Madden was there.
Cheered on by a raucous crowd at the Mona hockey field on Tuesday evening, the Jamaican men survived the several penalty calls to triumph 3-2 over Puerto Rico. It was an exciting affair from the opening whistle, and though Puerto Rico started strongly, it was the Jamaicans who went ahead first through Jean-Paul Horton inside 3 minutes. But the crowd had barely settled down when Eddie Fuentes restored parity just 4 minutes later. Jamaica, however, grabbed back the lead in the second half through Nicoy Stevenson. But Fuentes pulled the Puerto Ricans level once again, giving Jamaica some anxious moments. The anxiety levels increased when the Jamaicans had several penalty calls against them, but captain and goalkeeper Johnny Burton rode the challenges time and time again. And with time draining away, Shamar Gordon found the winner to leave the Jamaican fans ecstatic.
We've trained for this, one, and I figured that at some point during the competition I'll have to step up, and as the leader of the team, I took it as a responsibility to ensure that I stayed there as much as possible, stayed in front of the ball and channel them to a side until my teammates could come back and help me out. We understand from competition that momentum is very important and we don't ever want to take that for granted. And so getting this win was important because we know that we started the tournament with a loss. So we had to take matters in our own hand, take our destiny in our own hand and ensure that we get the best option going forward.
The guys know what to do. The guys have kept them focused. Keep on talking to them, remind them of the game plan. And I think they saw the way out. What this performance continues to tell us is that the team is a fighter. And no matter what, no matter the condition, no matter the situation, they will fight to the end.
Earlier, the Jamaican women were on the wrong end of a 10-1 hammering by top seed Uruguay, with Imani Linton scoring the lone goal for the host nation. But Jamaica's technical director, Dr. Michelle Holt, said the team achieved its objectives.
Before we played the game, we knew that we were not going to be in the top 3. So it was a game to expose the other goalkeeper and to just give the girls a chance to learn to play against top defenders, because unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, we're going to play US in the crossover, who is probably the second best team.
By virtue of finishing at the foot of Pool B with just a point, the Jamaican women will face Pool A winners, the United States, in the quarterfinals on Thursday. The Jamaican men ended Pool A in second on 6 points and will face third place from Pool B, Guatemala, on Friday. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.